So hi, good afternoon. As you guys already know, we're at the PhotoPlus Expo, New York City 2019. We were walking past the door on our way out looking for coffee and food because we need it. We came across probably one of the best solutions we found for carrying our crucial and expensive camera gear. You know, with the helmets, the gloves, the motorcycles and everything else we carry, what do we do with it? Putting it over here just kills your shoulders. This is probably one of the best solutions we have seen in a very long time. So much so, we spent the last hour speaking with Shai. He's the best guy to explain this solution. Over to you.
Alright, so yeah, we're a Spider camera holster, and we offer solutions for the heavy cameras, the professional cameras, and also for the smaller, lighter mirrorless rigs. So the heart of the camera, the heart of the system is our holster. So the holster attaches here to the belt. It has a lock, you can lock it completely, and also you can leave it open. It has a self-locking design that does not allow the camera to just simply pop out without turning your camera. As a result, you have a very, very secure solution with a very, very quick in and out. It took Simon about 2.5 minutes to kind of figure this out, and he's almost like a pro shooter at this point. What he's interested in...
It wasn't 2.5 minutes. It was like 10 seconds, and yes, I did feel like John Wayne. The solution that Lisa and I have gone for, though, is this piece of genius. So being on the bikes the whole time, holding it there, it's great for us. It wasn't ideal until we saw this. As a system, this gets to be placed either on our jackets, our riding jackets, on our camera carrying bags, or brilliantly, the whole thing just slides off, goes straight on the belt, and hangs down. I mean, this to me is such a simple but powerful solution. But to our astonishment, our surprise, and our delight, they've just offered to sponsor us with these units, so you're going to see an awful lot more of these, and you'll see it in action. Look at this. Guys, we're about done. We need a very large rum and coke, or at least 3. Shai, thank you very much.
Thanks for stopping by.
An absolute pleasure. See you on the road, guys.